Hey, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now. Coming up in today's headlines, treats for our teachers, plus honoring our veterans, celebrating our student athletes, and diving into fine arts at Milby. Happy Friday. Today is November 7th. And don't forget, you can skip to any story by using the chapters below. Well, today is a professional development day for our teachers, and a few of our Houston Promise partners stopped by their adopted campuses and brought breakfast. The Houston Dynamo with mascot Diesel kicked off the morning at Sanchez Elementary by delivering the French corner to the dedicated staff as they level up their instruction.
We are so excited about this partnership. You have no idea how excited our teachers are, the students. It was an amazing opportunity to start our day with Diesel, for us to have that support, to be able to help our students and our teachers get the school to a name.
And at Rodriguez Elementary, teachers and staff started training with breakfast, courtesy of Houston Promise partner and board member Marty Goosen and his wife Kathy. A big thank you to all of our Houston Promise partners. You are making a real difference for our schools. And in honor of those who've served in the U.S. Armed Forces, the HISD Police Department held a Veterans Day ceremony this morning at the HISD PD headquarters. The event began with a presentation of colors from our HISD PD Honor Guard unit. Department commanders then recognized all officers who have served and presented them with a certificate of appreciation before serving a delicious lunch.
Today is a wonderful day. We are acknowledging our veterans, those who have paved the way for us to enjoy the freedoms that we have. We're also tying it into our Thanksgiving celebration, knowing that because of our design, most of our officers are on campus, so we don't get to come together often. So this was a wonderful time to, again, acknowledge our veterans and then celebrate Thanksgiving as well.
And a big thank you to all of our veterans.
We basically can help to connect you with...
Well, today our family and community engagement team hosted the PTA Partnership Palooza at North Houston Early College. It was a great opportunity for parents to connect with one another and meet business partners and district leaders and share ideas on how to better support our schools.
We have invited our PTO leadership to come and just get some information, learn more about what FACE does, learn more about how we can support their PTO, but also give them a chance to connect with some vendors that might help them reach their fundraising goals or help them reach other goals that they might have as a PTO.
I think this is really wonderful to show the community and the families and HISD what there is to offer for everyone to get engaged and feel connected and feel valued.
These kind of events are so important for us because our PTO is a very involved group. So we are here to gain resources. So we can bring these resources to our school so we can help our students be very successful. That is our passion, that is our goal, and that's why we are here. And that's why these events are very important for our community.
Yes, sir. It was a very great season. You know, we worked hard.
We are also celebrating our student athletes at Northside High School after they went back-to-back district champions. In cross country, you can check out the full story posted now on our YouTube channel. And on the field, we're keeping an eye on two big can't-miss football matchups this weekend. Tonight, Waltrip is going up against Sterling at Butler. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. And then tomorrow night at Del Mar, Kashmir is taking on Wheatley. Kickoff is at 6 p.m. Well, we just uploaded this video to Facebook and Instagram today. HISD Athletics Director Andre Walker stopped by to talk these games, playoffs, and much more, so be sure to check it out. For any of our families needing food assistance, take a look. Tomorrow we're partnering with the Houston Food Bank for this food distribution happening right here at Hattie May from 8 a.m. until noon. But you must pre-register for it through the Houston Food Bank, scan that QR code, or go to their website to do just that. And if you can't make it tomorrow, don't forget that our Sunrise Centers offer food assistance as well. Each of our centers have a food pantry, and each of them hold weekly food distributions like the one you're seeing right now. And these resources we're connecting you to is just part of what we're doing to help our families during these times. Earlier this week, we also announced changes to our meal services at our schools to ensure all students can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Superintendent Mike Miles talked about those changes during the ride-along yesterday. He also talked about autonomy for our top-performing high schools, and he even shared a message for our students and staff as we head into the Thanksgiving holiday. That full conversation is up on the channel right now. Well, this week we spotlighted Milby High School for Campus Close-Up. The school in Houston's East End prides itself with deep-rooted traditions, rich history in HISD, and its new A rating. Principal Ruth Pena says this tight-knit school community is focused on excellence in and out of the classroom each and every day.
Milby High School is bursting with talent, and they brought the show to us.
The school is bursting with so much pride that we got a front row seat for a bunch of student performances. The band, the cheerleaders, the color guard, and more. Go check out this brand new story on the channel or on our Facebook and Instagram pages right now. You can also see the rest of the stories we did on Milby right here. We made a playlist on the channel called Milby High School, and the student performances don't stop with Milby. Next week, we're taking you to Meyerland Performing and Visual Arts Middle School, a historic school in Southwest Houston known for its strong academic foundation and thriving fine arts program. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you see when those stories go up. And thank you for watching and connecting with us. Have a great weekend. We will see you on Monday.